In this video, I'll show you how to use the spoiler feature in Telegram. Spoilers are a great way to share information without revealing too much right away. They allow you to hide key details. To get started, open the Telegram app on your device. Once inside the app, select the chat or group chat where you want to send your spoiler message. Now, type out your message as you normally would. Here comes the interesting part. To mark a specific part of your message as a spoiler, highlight the text that you want to hide. You can choose to highlight just a portion or even the entire message if needed. After highlighting, you'll see a set of options appear above the selected text. From these options, tap on Spoiler if you don't see it, tap on the three dots and then tap on Spoiler. This will transform the highlighted text into hidden content, making it invisible until the recipient chooses to reveal it. Once you've done that, just hit Send and that's it. The selected part of your message will be hidden as a spoiler until the recipient taps on it to reveal the content. That's all for this quick tutorial. And if this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this one.